How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do an easy veiny hand workout for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So in this video, we're not going to do high repetitions. Normally for my intermediate and advanced workouts, we would do high repetitions, anything over 100 reps. This is going to be a little bit easier. Again, it's for beginners, you guys. So we're going to start off. The first exercise is extensions like this. Normally too, I would go faster with my exercise. We're gonna go slower, just nice and slow. Again, this is for beginners. So that's 20 reps. We're gonna take a quick little break. Generally for beginner exercises, anything around 20 reps or 20 seconds for the exercise that we're doing. Our rest periods are also gonna be longer too. Instead of 5 seconds, they're gonna be about 10 to 15 seconds. So the next exercise is curls like this. That's 20, quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna wiggle our fingers like this. This is great for the hands. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do the claw stretch. So get your hands like this. Squeeze really, really tight and hold. Should be squeezing the entire time, you guys. So squeeze really, really tight. Okay, quick little break. Okay, we're then gonna do extensions. Twenty reps, perfect, you guys. Okay, so end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.